that you settled down, that you found a girl that you married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave me and didn't give to you. Oh friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I'd hope you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.